How to apply for Walmart online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in careers.walmart.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different sections over here: stores and clubs, corporate, and healthcare. You can navigate to any of the section from where you wanna apply for the job. Under these sections as well, you're gonna find different job positions. Just click on it. Now you can click on the option See All Openings. Select the position of your choice. Then you can click on Apply. So this way you can easily apply for Walmart online. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.